I am Mrs. Harsha Khona. I will teach you math subject today. Roly poly, in. Roly poly, out, out, out. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. Roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, more, less, less, less. Roly poly, more, more, more. Today, my subject is less and more. Now, children, I am showing you one picture. You have to give answer. Look at this. What is this? Tell me.
Sheep. Sheep.
What is this?
Sheep.
Ship? No, this is one pot and fishes are inside a pot. Look at this. This is one pot. And there are fishes inside the pot. And here one more picture I am showing you. What is this? Tell me.
Fish. Fish.
Fish tank. So you have to say which picture is having more fishes and which is having less fishes. See here in this pot we are seeing only two fishes, and in this fish tank we are seeing so many fishes. So this pot, this is less and this is more. See, our topic is less and more. This is less and this is more. So today our topic is less and more. More. Say less, more.
Less, more.
This is more and this is this
Less.
fish tank here. Less. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Now you have to give answer. I am showing some pictures. Which is less and which is more. You have to say. Can you see this picture?
Dada, Dadi. Boy, girl.
Yeah. Yes.
Boy,
Dada,
girl
Dadi,
is less.
Boy, girl
Boy,
is
girl is
less.
less.
Yes.
Dada, Dadi.
Yes. Yeah. Dada,
Grandma,
Dadi
Grandpa.
and grandpa. Yes. That is more.
Mother.
Very good answer, Shruti. Very nice. Now I am showing you some birds. You tell me. See, which bird is this? Tell me.
Penguin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Penguin.
Five
Yes.
penguin is less.
Yeah, 5 penguin is less.
Second penguin is more.
Yeah, second penguin is more. So this is less and this is less and this is more. Excellent answer. Now here some birds are sitting on stem. Can you tell me?
Pink. 2 birds is less. 3 birds is more.
Yeah, 2 birds is less and 3 birds are more. Very good answer. Very nice. So now see, I am having one girl, one puppet I am wearing. Her name is Simi. Yeah. Now this Simi, you meet your friend Simi. Hello friends. Say hello. Hi. Yeah. And this one girl is there. Her name is Minnie. They, Simi and Minnie. Yeah. Hi Minnie. Hi Simi. Okay. Now these 2 girls are going to visit their uncle's farmhouse. So Simi's uncle is having big farmhouse. So now we are going to visit the farmhouse.
One girl is big, one girl is small.
Okay, this girl is big, this girl is small. Both are
Small.
friends. So they are going together to visit a farmhouse. Look at this. What do you see here? Tell me. Hello.
Trees.
What do you see in this picture?
Animals.
Animals. Yeah. Where animals are there? There is so many animals are there in farmhouse. Yeah, birds. Yeah.
Horse. Rabbit.
Hello.
Cow.
Huh?
Dog.
Dog. Yes. Dog, cow, buffalo. Yes.
Okay.
And horse is also there. Yes.
Pluck. वाटर में क्या रहता है?
Hello. Yeah. See here. We are seeing so many animals. Yes. Here we are seeing so many animals. Yes. Can you see here? Hen is there. Yeah. And here also hen lays eggs. So this hen is less, and this hen is having chicks. So this is more. Yes, children. Here, see, in a pond, ducks are there. Yes. Here, more ducks are there. Here, cow. Yes, what is this? Which animal is this? Cow. Cow. What cow gives us? Tell me, cow gives us?
Milk. Grass.
Milk. Yeah, here buffalo is also there. Here horse. Yes. Yeah. Cow gives us milk. Buffalo gives us milk. Yeah, here, see, look at farmhouse. Here, big farmhouse is there. Here, count these trees. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, only 1 tree is there. Here also 2 trees there. Here, 3 trees, and here 4 trees. Which are more and which are less? Tell me.
2 trees is more, 1 tree is less.
Yeah, 2 trees more, 1 tree is less. Here, 2 and 2. So both are equal. Okay, both are same. Yes, children, see here. They are doing farming, farmhouse. See, they are having so many animals and birds are there. Yes. Yeah. Now this Simi and Mini. Yeah, she wants to buy milk. Okay. What she wants to buy? Tell me. Milk. Hello.
Milk.
Milk. So, see, this Simi and Mini both wants to buy milk. So, Simi wants to buy cow milk and Mini wants to buy buffalo milk. Cow milk cost is ₹70 and buffalo milk cost is ₹100. Okay, so see, they are going to market and they are buying milk from milkman. Okay, now they are giving some rupees to that milkman. See. This is 100 rupees. See, tell me which, how 100 rupees. This is 50 rupees and 2 tens note are here. So this is 70 rupees and this is 100 rupees. So Simi is buying milk from milkman. So she is giving 70 rupees to milkman because she wants to buy cow milk. And Mini wants to buy buffalo milk. So she is giving 100 rupees to shopkeeper. So now tell me, who is paid more? Simi or Mini? Who is paid more? Yeah, 100 rupees. 50. So this is 100 rupees and this is 70 rupees. Yes. So 100 is more and 70 is less. Yes. So this girl is giving 70 rupees to milkman because she wants to buy cow milk. And this Mini is giving 100 rupees note to milkman. Okay. Do you understand, children? Yes. Now look at this picture.
Duck,
What do you see?
flower,
Yes, flower,
house,
house,
flower pot,
flower pot. Yes,
tree,
yes.
finish.
Finish. Okay,
Water.
now you have to tell more and less in this picture. Look at this here. Here, what you see? One flower pot.
Flower pot.
One flower pot. So this flower pot is having only one flower. Here also one flower. Look at this flower pot.
Four.
How many
Four.
flowers? Four. So
Four
this
flower
one
is
is
men.
four flower is
More.
more and
Two
this
flower is less.
less. Yes, two flower is less.
Yes.
Correct. Here you are saying here. See duck. Ducks are swimming in the pond. Yes. Can
Yes.
you see? Yes. And here two ducks are stand on a fence. Okay. See.
Yes.
So this So you have to say which
Four
is less
duck
and
is
which is
more.
four
Two
duck
duck
is
is
more
seed.
less. Okay. And here see look at the tree. How many trees are here? 1, 2,
5.
3 trees are there. One is bushes. Okay. And here down one tree is there. So 3 is more or 1 is more? Tell me. 3
Three.
trees are more.
3 is more. 1
Yeah,
is
3 is-
less.
3 is more. 1 is less. Okay. Now see this Simi no. We want to go to zoo. Simi and Mini both went to zoo. Now what they are doing we are seeing in zoo. Okay. Now we are going to zoo with Simi and Mini. Okay, children.
Okay.
See.
Okay.
You see this zoo?
Yes.
Yes.
Giraffe.
Yeah, giraffe.
Birds.
Birds. Okay.
Deer. Tiger.
Deer, tiger. Okay.
One girl is boys.
One girl and boy. Okay. Yes. Then what you are seeing? Tell me. There are big tree. Yes.
Yes. Two
Ah,
trees.
2 trees are there. Yeah. See on tree apples. You can see apples on tree.
Yes.
Yes. So you say which tree is having more apple and which tree is having less apple? Tell me.
Tiger.
Okay, tiger. Yeah, you are saying tiger. See here 2 trees are there. Yes. Here see this tree no. This side tree is having more apples. This side tree is having less apples. Okay. Here some birds are sitting on a tree. Birds you can see. Yes.
One side, two birds.
Yeah.
More. One
two
side,
birds
one
more.
bird. Less.
Yes. Okay. Now see this Simi and Mini. Both are going to visit the zoo. Okay. You can see both girls are seeing animals. Yes. Animals they are seeing from here. Yes. So in a cage, which animal are there? Tell me.
Tiger, two deer.
Two tiger and here they are going. They are saying here. What is that? This is 2 tiger and here bear is there. Big bear is there. Bhalu.
Yes.
Bear. Yes, you have seen the bhalu, bear. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me how many bear are there in a cage?
2.
2. And here also they are going, they are seeing tigers. So there are 2 tigers. They are, yes, tiger. Yeah, tiger is saying like that now, like that. Yes. So these 2 girls are going in zoo. Now here they are seeing animals. Now we are going to jungle, and we are seeing the animals in jungle. Okay, dear children, let's go to the jungle. See, here, you can see this jungle. Yes, children?
Yes.
What do you see in this picture? Tell me. Here, so many trees are there.
Giraffe, elephant,
Giraffe, big giraffe is there. Yes. Here, what is this? Which animal is this?
kangaroo,
Kangaroo is there. Yeah. Then here, deer is there. Here, this is stag is there. Yes. Yeah. Then, tell me
Monkey.
which animal? Monkeys. Yeah. So many monkeys. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 monkeys are there here. You can see. Yes, children. Yeah.
giraffe,
See. Yeah. And what is this?
elephant,
Yeah, elephant. Big elephant. Yes. Yeah. Then which animal you are seeing here?
rabbit,
Rabbit. Okay, rabbit is sitting here. And here, see, ducks are there, birds are there. Yes.
yes,
Here. What is this? Cock.
cock,
Hen. Yeah. And here parrots are also sitting here. Yes. These are big jungle. So you are seeing these all animals in jungle.
Yes.
Yes, children. And you are seeing no. Here in zoo also you are seeing some animals. Yeah, correct. Yes. Can you compare this both pictures? This is zoo and this is jungle. So what is there more in jungle and what is there less in zoo? Can you tell me? See, this all animals, these are 15 animals here. And here in a cage, how many animals you have seen in a cage? Tell me.
4,
4 animals. So here
5,
4
6,
animals you are
7,
seeing. And here,
8 animals.
here, yeah, 15 animals. So tell me, more and less. These 15 animals are more or these 4 animals are more? Tell me.
15 animals,
15
is
animals
more.
are more and 4
animals
animals are
less.
less. Yes, see the difference. See, in a cage, we can keep only 2 or 3 animals. But in jungle, there are many animals can stay together. Here in a cage, we can put 2 or 4 animals only. Yes, so you have seen the difference between jungle and zoo. Yes, children? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. You like the zoo? You like jungle?
Yes.
Tell
Yes.
me, you like zoo, you like jungle? Okay. Now, children, I am putting some objects here. You have to give answer and tell me which object is more and which object is less. Okay? Be ready. See, what is this? Tell me.
Flower pot.
Yes. Yeah. Tell me. This is also flower pot and this is also flower pot. So tell me which flower pot is having more flowers and which flower pot is having less flowers. Tell me.
Purple flower is more flowers.
More
Yellow flower is less flowers.
less. Yes, yellow flower is less and this purple flower is more. Excellent answer. Yes. Now here, see, I am having this 3 flowers, okay, in this pot. Now I am holding here in my hand. See here, and I am showing you one hanging. Let me tell which is more and which is less. Let me say.
And red flower is purple, red, yellow, white.
Yeah,
Is
all color
more.
flowers. Yeah.
Yellow,
Yeah,
red
more.
is less.
Less. See, this my hand, less flowers and these are more. Yes, correct? Yes, children. Now, what is this? Can you tell me what is this, children?
Chocolate.
Chocolates.
Chocolate.
Okay. Both jar are same, equal. But see, look at this
Yes.
chocolates. Yeah.
Big.
Yes, this is this jar. Tell me. You have to say less or more chocolate. Yeah, this jar is having more chocolate. And yes, yes, yes.
Left
Children.
hand is
Left hand
many
is many.
chocolates.
Yes. Yeah. Many
Right
chocolates.
hand is
Yes.
less chocolates.
Okay. See, this is first jar and this is second jar. You tell first jar is having more chocolates and the second jar is having less chocolates.
Less
Okay.
chocolate.
This is less and this is more.
More.
Yes. Now here, see, I am putting here some blocks, okay? You have to say which blocks are more and which blocks are less, okay? See, you can see these blocks here. Yes? These are, which color block is that? Tell me.
Pink.
Which color block is that? Yeah, and now I am putting here another color, yellow color block. So you have to say which blocks are more and which blocks are less.
Yellow color box is more. Less. Yellow color
block is less. And this pink color blocks are pink color blocks are more. And this yellow color blocks are less. Yes, correct. See, tell me. Less, more.
More.
Less,
More.
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 Okay, now here some bottles are there. Look at these bottles. You can see your bottles in this box. Yes?
Box.
Yes?
Box is many bottles.
Yeah, box are
Box
having
is
many bottles.
Second
Yeah.
box is less bottle.
See, this color one box is having many bottles and this white box is having less bottles. Yes, correct. Now, see, here I have made this bits. Okay. Yeah, here in this 10 bits are there. Okay. And here same one is there. Here 20 bits are there. So this is 10 and this is 20 bits. Tell me, which is more and which is less?
20 is more.
20 is more and 10 is less. Yes, okay. Now here also, here 10 bits are there. And here I made this bits like this way, house. These are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so this is 10 and this is 25. So which is less, 10 or 25?
25 is more, 10 is less.
Yes, very good, excellent. Yes, now see, this is, what is this? Tell me.
Color box.
Color box. Sketch pens. Yes, yes. In this box, how many sketch pens are coming? Tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12. You can see 12. And here, this I am having 6 sketch pens. And here I am having 12 sketch pens. So tell me, 6 and 12, which is more and which is less?
11 is more.
Sketch pens are more and 6 sketch pens are
6 is less.
Yes, so this is less and this is more.
More.
Yes? Yeah. Now, look at here. I am having some fish. Okay. And here, one rod is also there. See, I am taking some fish from here like this. Okay. How many fish comes here?
2.
1.
2.
Okay, this is 1. Red color, 1 fish is there. Okay. Now here in this, I'm holding more fishes. Can you tell how many fishes comes here?
2 fish. 2 fish.
And here 1. So which is
2
more?
fish is more. 2
Yes.
fish fish is more, one fish is less.
2 fish is more and 1 fish is less.
Yes.
Okay, I am holding here again. So, how many fish are coming? We are saying. See, now let me tell how many fish comes here in this.
More, yes.
Yeah,
Less.
2 less, 3 more.
More.
Yes, yes.
Less.
You like this? Yeah, you like this? Yes.
Yes.
Children? Okay. Yeah. Now I am having something, some other things for you. See, look at this. This is, what is this? Tell me. Fruit basket. Yes.
Basket.
What is this? Fruit basket. Which fruit is this? Tell me. Which fruit is this?
Banana.
And this is also a
Banana.
Yeah. Yes. So this is a bunch of banana. Here 1 dozen banana is there. 1 dozen means how much banana? How many bananas are coming in 1 dozen?
12. 12.
So here you count 1, 2 and 3 bananas. And here in 1 dozen 12 bananas. So which is more and which is less? 3.
12 banana is more.
Yeah,
Banana is less.
Okay, very good. Excellent, Shruti. Now here I am having grapes. Look at this grapes. Tell me. You can see this grapes, bunch of grapes.
Green grapes is more. Black
Green grapes.
grapes is less.
Very nice of you. Green grapes is more and
More.
black grapes is less. Yes, very good. Very good answer. Yes, children. Now here some color box are there. See here. This is color box. Okay. See what teacher paints with this colors. Okay. And here also a color box is there. Yes. See here 12 color is there inside this box, and this inside this box 20 color is there. See here 20 written and here
20
12.
colors is more.
20 colors is
color
more
is
and 12 color
less.
is less. Very good. Yes. Now see here. I am having some brushes in my hand. This is, what is this? What is this?
Pencils.
Pencils.
Brush.
This is
Paint
brushes,
brush.
painting brushes.
Painting
Yeah.
brush.
Painting brush. See here 4 brushes I am having, and in this end I am having 2 brushes. So which is more and which is
4 brushes more. 2 brushes
more?
less.
2 brushes less. Very good, children. Very good. Yes. Now here some marbles. I am having some marbles in this 2 jars. This brown one and orange one. Like you can see this marbles. Yes.
Black marble is many
Black marble is. Yes.
Black marble is more.
More, and this white marbles are less. Yes,
Less
this white
marble.
marbles are less and this black
And
marbles more. Okay. So, yes, very good, children. Very good answer. Now here you like the cars, buses. Yes, children. Can you see
Yes.
here? What is this? This is car parking.
Bus.
Yeah.
Car.
Yeah. See, so many cars, bus, trucks are here. Yes, children. You can see here. So here, see, you have to say which side is having more cars and which side is having less cars.
Left side is more.
1, 2,
Left side
3
is
cars
more.
is there. Yes.
Right side is less. Left side is more.
Okay, your left side is more
More.
and right side is less. Okay, correct answer. Very good, Shruti. See, here we are counting 1, 2 and 3 cars here standing. Here trucks, bus, ambulance are count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Five,
So
six.
3 is less and 6 is
Right.
more.
Left.
Yes. Less, more. Okay?
Less. More. More.
Yeah, less, more.
More.
Yeah. See, what is this? Tell me. What is this? We are playing with this. Let
Dice.
Yes, dice. So
Dice.
here, see here, I am having 1 or 2 dice, and here I am having so many dice. Yes, you are playing now with this dice. So
Yes.
here I am having Yeah, so 2 is more or this 7 is more?
More. Box
Yeah,
is
this
more.
yeah, this
Right
thing, no,
side is more.
right side is
Right
more,
side
left,
is more. Left
yes,
side is
less.
2.
Yes, 2 is less. Okay. Now here, see, I'm getting gift. Yeah. See, in packet and this box. So, see, in packet only 2 Mickey and
Packet
Minnie is
is
there. And here so many gifts are there. So, tell me.
left side is more. Left side right is more toys.
More toys.
More toys.
More toys.
Right side
Yeah.
is 2 less toys.
Less toys. This is 2 and this is more. So less and more. Yes. Now here I am having some glasses. Okay. See here. Here only 2 glasses and here so many glasses. So 2 is more or this
2 is
2
less.
is less and this all glasses is
More.
Yes, correct. Yeah. Now see, you are using this bottles. Which bottle is this?
Sanitizer.
Yeah, see, this is packed bottle. I am not
One
open. And
sanitizer
this, yeah, yes.
One sanitizer is more.
This is packed. This is new bottle, and this I have used. So
One sanitizer is many sanitizer.
more, not many. More and less. See, this is water liquid level, no? So this is more and this is less because yeah, this I am not using. This is packed bottle and this I am using. So this is less. Yes. Here more and here less.
Less.
Yes. Can you see properly?
Yes.
Yes, children. Yes. Very good. Now here I am having some Fevicol. Okay. See here 3 Fevicol are there and 2 bottles are 3 Fevicol bottles there and here 2. So 3 is
Two
more
bottle,
or 2 is?
2
bottle is
bottle is less
and
3 bottle is more.
More. Yes, correct. Very good. Yeah. See, you are playing with this cards. Yes, children. Yes, you are playing with this card. You are doing like this way. Yes. So see, I am putting some here like this and some like this. Tell me which is more and which is less.
Left side is less. Right side is more.
Very good. Very good. Yes, you can. You know the concept clearly. Now here some balls I am putting in this basket. Okay. Now I am putting some balls only. See. Yeah, I am putting here some balls and see. There. This is 3 balls and this is more than 3. So tell me.
Left side is more. More
Left
balls.
side is more. Yes.
Right side is less.
Less. Okay. Now here, see children, I am having, see here, these birds are there. Here I am having this hand, 1, 2 and 3 birds. Okay, you can see this birds. Yes, children, you can see this birds. Yes, and here in this hand, I am having only 1 or 2 birds. So let me say 2 and 3. Which is the more?
3 is more, 2 is
more
less.
and 2 is less. Yes, correct. Now here I am having gun. Okay, see here. You are playing with this guns. See, let me tell. Yes, see here I am having this 4 guns are in black color. See 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, these are guns. Correct? Yeah. See, these 4 are in black colors. Yes. So I am putting here this 4 guns, and these are, see, count this 1, 2, and 3 guns. Yeah. So 4 is more.
3 gun is. 3 gun is
less, and this 4 is.
Gun is more.
4 gun is more. See here. This is more. This is less. Correct? Yes. Very good. Yeah. Now here I am having tops in my hand. These are 2 tops, purple color, and this 3 colorful tops. So let me tell. 2 and 3. Which is more and which is less?
2 is less.
2 is
2 is
less.
less. 3
3
is
is
more.
more. Okay, children. Now you know this all this. Okay. Now I am showing you something new. Yeah. See here my toys. I am putting here 1 toys, 2 toys here. And this side also I am putting in some toys. 1, 2 and 3 toys I am putting. So which is more
3
and which
toys
is less?
is
3 toys is
many. Sorry,
many,
3
more.
more.
Huh.
3 toys is more.
And 2
2
toys
toys
are
is less.
less. Are you have to say, not is. Shruti? Yeah. 2 and 3 number comes, so that time we have to say are later. Okay. Yes. Now, see, here some boxes are there. Okay. I'm putting here some boxes. Okay. Yeah. 1 box, 2 box.
2 box.
Here 3 box. And this side only I'm putting 2 box. So tell me, 2 and 3.
3 boxes. 3
Yeah.
boxes. 3 box
More.
are
3 box
more.
are more and 2 boxes
2 box
are less.
2 box are
Yes. Now Shruti,
less.
very good, very good. Very good answer you are giving. Now, see here, I'm showing you something what I am using every day. Yeah, what is this? Tell me. This is nail pen stand. Okay. See here, I put nail pen. Okay. So you have to say, here I put in this nail pen box only 3 nail pen. And here I put
5 are
much.
5
Yeah.
are more
Yes.
nail pen. 3
Yes.
are less more pen.
Yeah,
Nail
3
pen.
are these are more nail pen and this are less nail pen. Yes. Now your mama is using this pouch. Yeah, at home. This pouch. Yeah. Yes. See, here I am having 1 pouch and here 1, 2 and 3 pouch. So tell me, 1 is more or 3 is more?
1 are
One
is
is less and 3
1 is
are
less.
and 3 are
3 are
more. Yes, very good. Now, see here, I am having my necklace. Okay, see 2 necklace I am showing you. You have to say, which necklace is having more beads and which necklace is having less beads. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. I'm taking from this. Okay, my box. See, this necklace is
1.
small and this necklace is big. So which necklace is having more beads? Tell me. Small one or big one? This necklace, small necklace
White are
white necklace.
white is less. White orange
Here this is
is
small. Yeah, orange is small, no? So it is having less bits and this white necklace is having so many bits. You can see here, yes. And this is big, no? So these are having more bits and these are having less bits. Okay? Yes. Yes, children. Yes.
yes.
Now I am having one bangle stand. Okay? I see here. This is my bangle stand. Okay? Yes, you can see this bangle stand. Yes, children. Yeah.
Yes.
Here see. Yeah. Here I am putting some bangles in this stand. Okay. And now in this I am putting. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bangles. Yeah. Like this. 4 bangles. And here so many bangles are there. Again I am putting bangles in this stand. Okay. Let me tell. You can.
4
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
4 is
4 bangles are less and
Four.
this bangles. Yeah, these are. Tell me. This is less and these are more. Okay. Yes, say more. Say more. Less.
Less.
More.
More.
Less.
Less.
Okay, children. Now, see, I am showing you so many objects. So you learn less and more. Yes, correct, children. You learn less and more. Yes. Yes, children. You learn less and more. Yes. Okay. Now I am showing you two pictures. You have to compare and say what is less and what is more. Okay. Here, look at this. This is one tailor shop. Okay. And these are houses. See, here, what you are seeing, this house is here, what you are seeing here, tell me what you are seeing. There are clothes here, they kept
Two
here
clothes.
to dry.
Two clothes is.
Yeah, two clothes. And here this tailor shop. How many clothes are there? Let me tell.
Four.
Four. So which is less and which is more?
And
Two is, yes, tailor shop is having more clothes. Yeah, more clothes. And this here
less.
less. Okay. Yeah. Now see here some boosies are there. Okay. Let's see some boosies. Okay. Yeah. See here 1, 2, 3, 4 boosies and here more than 4. Okay. So which is less and which is more?
Less
4 boosies.
is
Less.
less and more. Four.
Yeah, less and these are more.
Four is
Okay.
less.
Can you see this? Yeah, 4 is less and this all are
Five
more. Okay.
is
5
five
more.
more.
5 are more and 4 are less. Yes. Very good, Shruti. See here. What is this? Can you see? What is this?
One flower pot. Flower pot.
Yellow flower pot. Yes. Yeah. And what is this? Can you tell me? It is lampshade.
Light.
Lampshade. Yeah, light. Okay. Now you say this flower pot. How many flowers are there? Let me tell. One. Let me count. Yeah.
One, two.
And 2 flowers.
Two flowers.
Yeah. And yes, this lamp is having how many flowers?
Four. Four flowers.
4 flowers. So
Two flowers is
2 flowers is
four flowers
and 4 flowers are more. Yes. Now see here. This lampshade, how many butterflies are there? Count. 1, 2, and 3. And here in this lamp, how many butterflies there?
Two.
2.
Two is less. Three is more.
3 is
Three are
more.
more.
Yes. See, yeah. See the difference between both. Yes, correct. You have seen the difference between both. Okay. Now I am showing you a picture. This picture. This is a frame. Now you have to say what you have learned. No, now you have to say in this.
3 duck. 4. 2 duck. Birds. Flowers. Tree. House. Flowers. Water. River. Dog. Sheep. House. Tree. Grass. House. Bird. Tree. Flower.
Okay.
Grass.
Now you are seeing here. See birds. Okay. Birds are flying here. Yes. So count here. How many birds are there? 1, 2. Yes. Here 2 birds are there. Yes, children. And here count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, they all are in groups. So here only 2 is there. So this is
6 are more
6 are more
birds. 2 is
less.
less birds.
Okay, less birds. And here see, here many houses are there and here 1 and 2. So here you can say these are less. 1, 2. 2 are less, and this 1, 2, and 3 houses. So these are more. 3 more, 3 are more, 2 are less. Are less. Only for 1 you have to say is. For 2 you have to say are. 2 are less, and here 3 are more. Here you can count this boat. See, here small boats are there and here big boats are there. Okay, so here first you have to count small boats. Okay, count 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 boats are there. Yes, and here 2 boats are there. Okay, 1 and 2. So this small boats and big boats. Yeah,
2 is
2 are
less.
2
3 are
more.
more.
So 2 are, yes, 2 less and 3 more. And here also ducks are there. You can see the ducks. Yes, here. Yeah, here. How many ducks are there here? Let me tell. 1, 2, 3. And here also ducks are sitting here.
2
So yeah.
is less.
Okay, 3 are more and 2 are less. Okay, here. See here. What is this? Can you tell me? Sun. And here one temple is also there, correct? So one sun, one temple. Okay? Yeah. And here, look at here. You have to count these flowers. Here and here. You have to count. Count these flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 flowers are there, and here how many flowers are there? Count. 1, 2, and 3.
2
No,
is
Shruti, here
less.
also one flower. Yeah, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3
are more.
4 are more, 3 are less. Okay?
2
Yes.
are
Yeah. Here see, the stones are there. Here 1 and 2 big stones are there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small stones are there. So here less and here more. Can you see lotus flower in this picture? Can you see lotus flower in this picture? Tell me. Yes? Pink color lotus flower you can see? Count here.
Yes.
Yes. So here how many lotus flower is there?
3.
3. And here?
2.
2. Yes. So 2
2
and 3.
is less.
2 is less. 3 are?
3 are more.
More. Yeah. Here see fishes are also there. You can see half fish here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 half fishes is there, and here 2 fishes are there. You can see this 2 fishes here. Yes? Yes, children? So 2 and 4 fishes are there. 2 fishes is less and 4 fishes are more. You like this picture? You like this picture, children? Yes? Yes? Yes. Okay. Now, see. Now we are having some fun game for you. See. See, what is this? Tell me what is this? What is this?
Ribbon.
Yeah, ribbons is there, but this is big trees there, no? Yes?
Ice
Yes,
cream.
Ice
cream. Cat. Mango.
Ice creams are?
Moon. Cat. Ice cream. Mango.
You can see ice creams are on the tree. You can see anywhere. Yes? No, na? See here, I put ice creams on a tree. You like ice cream? You like to eat ice cream? Yes?
Yes.
See here, ice creams are there. Here, mango are there. And here, what is that? Cat. Yes?
Cat.
There? Yes? Okay. Now see, here, how many ice creams are there? Let me count.
1,
2,
4.
4. See, here 4 ice creams are there.
4
Can you see?
are more.
4 are more. And here how many ice creams?
2 is less.
And 4 is more. See, now I put here some ribbons, okay, here. So we have to match this ice cream with this, okay. See here. this first ice cream I will match with this. Okay? Yes? Yeah. And second one I match with this ice cream. Okay? Here. Can you see? Yes?
Yes.
So, yes. Here I match with this ice cream. Okay?
Okay.
So now how many is left? Tell me. 2 ice cream I match with this 2 ice cream. So how many left here? Tell me. 1 and 2 is left.
2.
Correct? Yeah. 2 is going here. So now 2 is left. So 2 is more. So this is 4 more ice cream is there. Yes? 4. 4 is more and 2 is less. Okay,
Less.
here. Yeah. See here, 2 cats are there. 1.
2.
Count here. 1, 2.
2 is left. 3
is left. And
are.
here, 1, 2,
3 are more.
3 are more. So see, I match this with first. So second. So here, now how many cat is left? 1 cat is left. Yes, correct, children? Yes? Yes. Now here, mango. Yes. Here, how many mangoes are in a tree? 1, 2, and 3.
2, 3. 2.
And 2 is
2 and
down.
3. 3
Yes. So,
are more.
3 are
2
more.
is less.
Less. Okay, now I match this with this. Okay, you like this? Yes? Yes,
Yes.
children? Very good. See, now what you have to do, you know? You have to do homework. Okay? So, homework is page 24 in our book. Okay? What you have to do in that homework, you have to color which picture is more and which picture is less. Okay, less and more. Here, see, you have to read. Color the square under picture having more children. So here, more and less. So you have to color here in more children. Okay, here, color the below the picture having less birds. So you have to do less birds color. Where here they have given more, so here more you have to do color, and less you have to give less in color. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.